It takes a broad set of skills and knowledge to maintain buildings, including the ability to troubleshoot mechanical problems when they come up. General maintenance and repair workers employ those skills to fix and maintain machines, mechanical equipment, and buildings. They may repair roofs and floors, paint woodwork and walls, and fix other parts of buildings. When a more complicated problem arises, these workers also determine when it's time to call in an electrician or plumber. General maintenance and repair workers may have to stand for long periods or lift heavy objects, work in very hot or cold environments, in cramped positions, or on ladders. They are employed in many locations, including office buildings, hospitals, stores, and factories. Most general maintenance workers work full-time, including evenings or weekends, and may be on call for emergency repairs. They have a high risk of electrical shocks, falls, and cuts. Many in this field start out with simple tasks, observing and learning from skilled maintenance workers, then move on to more difficult tasks, such as overhauling machinery or constructing walls. High school shop classes and technical education are helpful.